The Yamaha CDX-480 is a CD player that was manufactured in 1994, known for its solid build quality and reliable performance. Designed as part of Yamaha's mid-range audio equipment, it offers clear sound and stable playback, thanks to its advanced digital-to-analog converter. The CDX-480 features a front-loading disc tray, programmable playback options, and a digital output for connecting to external audio systems. Its sleek design, with minimalistic buttons, reflects Yamaha's commitment to both functionality and aesthetics. Despite being over 2 decades old, the Yamaha CDX-480 remains popular among audiophiles and vintage electronics enthusiasts for its durability and warm sound characteristic. The player supports standard CDs and delivers consistent, high-quality audio performance, making it a timeless choice for those who appreciate vintage hi-fi systems.